Here we are, beautiful Port Angeles Harbor.
Yeah. Welcome back to YachtLens. Welcome to beautiful Port Angeles, and welcome back our friend Charlie Crane from BRIX Marine.
Yeah, it's good to see you guys.
Good to see you. Today we're getting aboard Captain's Choice, the 38D Cat.
38 by 14 planning catamaran. Welcome aboard.
Charlie, we've done a couple of 38 cats
Right.
that our audience has seen and
Completely different.
Tremendous response. But
Yeah.
you guys can customize these boats.
Yep, this is built for a private owner. He loved fishing and shrimping. As you can see, it's got a complete walk-around house, and it makes it really nice when you're fishing. You got a lot of people on. You bottom fish and throw the shrimp pots over. And also, you can see it's got the port and starboard sliding doors there, and that's nice for the captain when he has to come out and either throw a line to the dock or assist with anchoring. And moving back to here, we got this aft steering station. It's got the Yamaha Helm Master on here. Twin 425s. There's about 250 hours on them. They only had the original engines replaced. And under my feet here is a huge fish storage locker, and under here more storage. Got a 12 kW generator under this one over here. Northern Lights. Got the speakers outside for the stereo system. It's got aft deck, spotlight, T-transom.
You will get on and off that way. You know,
You can, yeah.
Yeah, that's just fantastic.
Yeah, these battery storage lockers in here. Got a little ladder to help you get up the rooftop there. You can put a dinghy up there to when you're anchoring to get to shore.
And this particular owner spec'd out the cabin, which we're about to go into.
Yeah, just about everything you see on the boat, the owner, he spec'd out himself. I mean, we've been building boats for over 25 years, and they're all custom. We don't really build cookie-cutter boats. In the cabin here, as you come on, you can check this out. We have a settee that'll sit 6 people very easily, and it will convert to a bunk. So, and on the starboard side is another bench that also converts to a bunk. So they can sleep probably 4 to 6 people on here. It'd be tight, but you could do it. This would make a great private boat, or you can make it a 6-pack charter boat if you wanted to.
Make a fantastic charter boat.
Yeah. What'd you think of the way it rode out there today?
It was incredible. Yeah, you'll be seeing some of that footage in the video, but we're out in a nice little chop and didn't feel a thing. We were able to put it on sea anchor, the setting where we don't move.
It's called Fish Point on Yamaha.
Fish point.
Volvo has a name.
Yeah.
Suzuki has their own name, so it's kind of a branding thing, I guess.
Yeah.
Got a monitor up here that we didn't take the protection screen off there, but you can watch your transducer when it's picking up a fish.
Take us inside.
Okay. Come on in, guys. So the owner, he kind of spec'd this out. It's got something like a small commercial galley here. It's all stainless steel here. It's got this great stove here, electric, obviously. Lots of storage. Got a full-size refrigerator here. Got a door locks on it, so it doesn't open up on the way. And it's got a stand-up head here, which is very convenient when you're out back fishing.
Oh, yeah.
And there's a shower in there also. So you call it a wet head.
Huge settee.
Oh, yeah, it is. 6 people easy.
Easy.
Lots of storage under the seats and the cabinets here. Lots of storage on this boat. There's no cuddy cabin because this owner wanted to basically use it for fishing. And if you did find a place where you wanted to stay overnight, obviously you can convert the settee to a bunk and another one here. So company captain here, Vince, he took us out today, and we had a good ride. Vince, thanks.
Yeah, thanks, Vince.
Also, the electronics of it. He's got the upgraded transducer. You got the twin Garmin, so it's got side view, side scan. Proud about that. No,
This is the complete package.
It's a nice setup. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You can see you got split frequency, traditional, and you got clear view, side view, split zoom, rear view.
Yeah, he put the money into that transducer, I remember.
Side scan is nice, too. Like if you drop something overboard, you might want to find it.
Yeah, that's fantastic. This helm is next level.
Yeah, so we've got a Yamaha Helm Master with a joystick. Right now we're on Fish Point, which is basically sea anchor, sea station. People call it a different thing. It's got a water maker as well.
Really?
It's pretty self-sufficient, yeah.
Yeah.
Water maker's got a huge inverter pack with 2 4Ds. It's a separate pack. We also wired it where the alternator will actually charge the batteries as well for the isolated pack, and you can turn that on or off for the inverter pack. VHF, stereo, Bluetooth, windshield wipers with washers, bill systems, of course, automatic bill systems. Got a fuel sniffer alarm in the fuel tank compartment. Of course, you got a horn. You got DC side over here and ACs over here, your panels.
Beautifully laid out helm.
And hydraulic jacket blades. And these are the gauges for them, which raises the engine six inches, which is nice.
Sure.
When you're at the docks, you can get the engines completely out of the water. We don't have them hanging in the water. And then also, we gained with the props and the jack and plates combined with these 425s, they like fuel. we gained 0.2 of a mile.
Really?
Yeah, per gallon.
Fuel efficiency.
It's huge. Yeah.
Yeah, that's phenomenal.
Especially in a year's time, it adds up a lot.
Yeah.
What else do we have here?
Sure, there's autopilot too, right, Vince?
Autopilot. That's all part of the Helm Master and the joystick. Yeah.
These are 14-inch Garmin screens? Or
these are 16s.
16.
Yeah. There's a 10-inch screen in the back, and these are 16s. What else do we have here? Of course, you got the generator control. It's got an inverter charger. It does both. Of course, you got your windlass control.
Yeah, just everything you need
This is for the searchlight.
to get anywhere you want to go and certainly get on the fish.
Yeah. I mean, this thing's set up, it's loaded to gills for fishing.
Yeah, it seems like it.
I mean, you got rod holders all over the place, downrigger pads.
Just the rideability in this boat. We're coming out here.
And it's got 110 and 220 as well, as far as AC goes. It's not.
Does
just,
it?
Oh, it's not just 110. The Galley is 220.
This 6-pack too, wouldn't it, Vince?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah.
I think you could fish 12 on it. Commercially, you could do 6. And Bose speakers, I have to show.
Yeah, they have the Bose speaker.
Yeah.
Get the fish on.
It's got the 3 helm seats here with footrest. It's got a bolsters here too, so you can stand up or move the bolster down and have a nice comfortable seat.
Yeah, but have the 3 helm seats here. That's kind of unique, but
Comfy
very cool.
So you can take buddies out or a couple of charter people out, and nothing like being up front.
No, it's just a very unique layout that super functional.
Got some rod holders up here over that settee. I mean, all of our boats were pretty noted for putting a wire track here. In a wire track, we have these handheld rails, so if you do come into some rough seas, you won't fall over.
No, and I think that's the thing that as we've gone through a few BRIX Marine boats, they're well thought out. They've been designed by people who have actually been out on the water.
Yeah, you're correct.
And out in these waters. So
rock solid. I get the opportunity to see the boats in the field because I travel a lot.
Sure.
You know, and service boats that we have in the field. So I get to see the 20-year-old boats, the 15-year-old boats. So they just keep on taking their time.
No, it's amazing. We see them around the sound quite a bit, and you never know. Is that a new one? Or is
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Like you asked me when you're coming up to the dock, are those 2 boats behind you yours? Yeah. This one directly behind us is going to St. Lucia,
is
the
that
Caribbean. Right? That's going to be a water taxi for picking people up at the airport and take them to the hotel. And then the one behind us, as you know, is Anna Marie. That's about a 41 by 14.
Yeah.
Beautiful boat. It's completely different than this one.
We've got a video of the Anna Marie that will be coming out soon, but it's the same hull, right?
Yeah,
same hull
38,
as this one,
38 by 14, but
completely different layout.
Right.
And, yeah,
same kind of ride, but it's different layout.
Yeah, fantastic. Let's go take a look at the bow.
Okay. Obviously, we got more downrigger pads. There's a total of 6 on the boat, and they all have electric power for your reels, the downrigger. It's got a little ladder to get up here to work the bow area. Got a windlass up here.
Lots of great storage.
Yeah, storage with lines and fenders. We have here for you need some quick access to some lines right here. And you got the 2 Danforth anchors here. Those Fortress, those are very nice anchors. They're great quality. 2 Freeman hatches for access to the bilge area forward.
Electric windows or hydraulic?
This got an electric one. Excuse me. Yeah, it's going. So many boats say lose track.
Wash down.
Fresh and salt. So you want to use the salt water when you're getting all the mud off the chain. Then you finish it up with the fresh water.
Just like I said, so well thought out, and love the walk arounds. How wide these walk arounds are.
Port and starboard walk arounds.
Because you just feel so safe.
Port and starboard boarding gates, right?
Port and starboard boarding.
You're going to be able to do these tours yourself pretty soon.
No, we could never replace you.
I don't know about that.
This is the 38 Cat by BRIX Marine, 3814. Just another variation. Charlie, we can't thank you enough for getting us aboard.
You're entirely welcome, and you do a great job, Rick. We appreciate the work that you do.
Well, we appreciate the kind words.
All right.
We are going to have links to more information on Captain's Choice on this boat, more information on BRIX Marine and all of the boats that you build.
Okay.
Up here in beautiful Port Angeles, Washington. Leave comments for Charlie. Leave comments for us. Only nice ones. And let us know what you think of this 38-foot Cat by BRIX Marine. And we'll see you in the next video.
Thank you, buddy.
Thanks, Charlie.
All right.
It's a wrap.
Yeah, it's a wrap.